Hi guys, welcome back. Today I would like to attempt to do a few character sounds. And I will tell you at the end of the video, so please stay tuned to the end of that to find out who they were. Moana, make way, make way. Moana, stay on the corner. And there we make fab from the coconut. The what? Considered true. Okay, I was actually surprised about how bad that was. Not bad that was actually. Cause just like you make myself a work of art, I'm shiny like a diamond in a rough. I'm so shiny. Watch me shine like a diamond in a rough. Sweet nut. These will be a little bit of small songs of Moana, by the way, like you haven't seen. Okay, anyway, back to bark, 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 bark. As long as I can remember, not really knowing lie. Every trail I chalk, every path I take, every trail I track. Come back to the I cannot go. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea. It's blinding, and no one knows how far it goes. There's just no telling how far I'll go. Pika-pee. See the sun and the sea as it shines, it's blinding, and no one knows how far it goes. There's just no telling how far it goes. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry if it wasn't the best. I did try to do Stitch, and I believe I also did try to, Pete, and I also tried to do Mickey Mouse. I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, Tigger, Captain Hook, and Gaston. I don't know if you could all tell the difference between them, but please give this video a big thumbs up. We're gonna go for 10 thumbs up so far. And please subscribe and please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.